Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Dellybie again. Hope you guys are doing fine. I'm doing great. If you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Delphine. I do natural hair videos, fashion and lifestyle. I'm a Cameroonian YouTuber based in Sweden. Two beautiful girls that I have, we are all natural. Stay tuned, subscribe if you do enjoy any of these. And for my oldies but goodies, welcome back. So for today's video, I'll be showing you guys how I do my DIY mango deep conditioner hair mask. So in as much as I love mangoes, I'm not going to be eating this. My hair will be doing that for me. I have done mango hair masks severally, but I don't know why. I had to go check up my DIY playlist to see if I'd filmed this video. How come I have not filmed my mango hair mask when I've done it more than 4 times this year? I don't know. I can't remember everything, guys, but the minute I remember, I make sure to film for you guys. So mango hair mask is so nice, so lovely on your hair. I always do this. I'm going to leave the benefits on the screen as we go, because right now I can't be doing and talking at the same time. So right now I'll be adding my extra virgin olive oil to my mango. So my hair is clean, shampooed and conditioned it after my hot oil treatment. I was just waiting for my battery to charge a little bit before I start applying. So I'm done applying the mask. I'm going to leave it in for 1 hour and then I rinse it off. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below if you've ever used mango hair mask. If you haven't, please try this at home. Most of these fruits that we eat are so good as your deep conditioners. You can just blend any one you like, from banana, mango, strawberry. Some people even use watermelon. I haven't used it before. I've used kiwi fruit. It's so beautiful. That one makes my hair feel so soft and nice. And you can just use it together with any oil of your choice: olive oil, coconut oil, argan oil, jojoba oil, whatever oils you have, you can mix them together and blend and you're good to go. Your deep conditioner is all ready.